Hello guys, you're watching Technology and Fun YouTube channel and I'm Ryan Khan back again with a new dramatic photo editing tutorials. So first of all open your photo. Here I am using two photo. First one my main photo what I want to edit and my second photo for background. Select rectangular marquee tools. Okay, now select how much you want for background. Okay, now press Shift plus F6. Click OK. Select Move Tools and move the selected photo in the front of main photo because it will be used for background. Okay, I am using this photo for Sense the Sky. It will be improve the quality of photo. Okay, now hide the background photo and select the main photo. Now select the object using selection tools. Before add this background we have to select the object. So use selection tools to select the object. It may take some times. Now unhide the layer and select eraser tools and clean object face. Before using these tools, opacity 45 and flow it's also 45. Then clean the face. It's almost done. Okay, select main photo and go to vibrance to boost your color. Vibrance 100% and saturation it's also 100%. Okay, now go to image and apply image. From blending mode select multiply. Okay, it's your choice, you can adjust your color from here. Now go to label and adjust light. To adjust lights, let's see the final view. Guys, if you like this video then subscribe our channel and must like, comment and share, and you also can comment what kind of video you need. Thank you.